Today, I'll show you how to add a realistic handheld camera shake to your videos. It's a great way to add energy, drama, or that natural vlog style look. Let's get started. Start by opening your project and selecting the clip you want to apply the effect to. You can actually notice that this video is a stable tripod shot with no movement. Now tap on effect from the bottom toolbar, head over to the shake tab, and here you'll find the effect called cam shake. Tap to apply it. Once it's added, you'll see a value slider at the bottom of the screen. Slide it from left to right to adjust how intense the shake looks. A lower value gives you a light shake, while a higher value gives you a much more aggressive movement. You can also drag the effect layer along the timeline to choose how long it stays active. And that's it. You've added the cam shake effect to your video using InShot and customized it just the way you like. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fast and easy InShot editing tricks.